So we're here at the Luxury Loft Suite inside of the 21C in Oklahoma City, and this room is absolutely unbelievable. This is room 235, and over here we've got the front door. When you first walk in, it takes you right into this living room area. Gigantic window over there, almost floor to ceiling, but it's really hard to tell the scope of just how large these windows are. Let's take a look outside. Nice view of an apartment complex, West Village. And this building over here, I don't know if you can read it. It says it says Sunshine, but there's a beer brewery in there. So if you're into craft beer, there's an area where you can go check out a local brewery here. But within the room, we've got a couch, little table here in the middle, 2 chairs, lamps on either side. Of course, we've got a television. So if you're here to entertain guests, or maybe you're just trying to get away for a weekend with a loved one, or maybe your friends, plenty, I really cannot understate, plenty of room for everyone in here. And check this out. This room has not 1, but 2 hallways. They both lead to the same place. We'll go check that out here in a second. But essentially, there's a room inside of this room. This is almost a cube. And inside of there are 3 different areas. This first one's going to be a vanity area. So we've got a little place if you need to do hair and makeup. Just a little place where you can just freshen up. On this side, we've got a closet. It's going to light up as soon as you open up the doors. We've got a safe. We've got 3 drawers, an ironing board, iron in the room. What's really nice, and not all hotels do this, there's an umbrella just in case it rains. Plenty of coat hangers to go around. In the next section, toilet. I mean, it's as comfortable as a toilet's going to get. And a robe, 21C logo right on there. Really, really comfortable, really nice. If you're into robes, this is going to be the room for you. And then check this out. We've got the shower area here. And it is massive. I don't know if you can tell just how big it is. Let's go inside and take a look. There's a shower separate from a soaking tub. But this is all just one massive room. So if you're the kind of person that likes to take bubble baths and then take a shower afterwards, not feel all sudsy, just get out of the bubble bath, take a shower. It's even got this little side attachment that's really nice to make sure you get hosed all the way down. I mean, this is just one massive bathtub area. Out here, single sink, which no big deal, but we've got a single sink here. All the amenities we need. We've got peppermint shampoo, cilantro hair conditioner, rum body wash, vitamin B5 body moisturizer. We've got peppermint bar soap, of course, hand sanitizer. And then over here in this little cube, cotton balls and Q-tips. So really, every amenity you're going to need when you're coming out to the 21C. Continuing out of this room, back down the hallway, we have the bedroom. It's going to be a king-size bed, a little sitting area over here. So if you like to read or you just need a place to relax that's not the bed, little sitting area here. Telephone, nice little runner here at the end. Got an alarm clock and a book. Art is the highest form of hope, and other quotes by artists. Full saturated colors have an emotional significance that I would want to avoid. Colors, the place where our brain meets the universe. Pretty neat. Of course, television inside of the bedroom, but plenty of space to enjoy an evening away here. Going to be really, really comfortable. And then back down this hallway takes us back into the living room. I really can't understate how awesome the Luxury Loft Suite is here at the 21C in Oklahoma City. Even keeping with the art museum theme of 21C hotels, even the quilt here is a work of art. I mean, this room is absolutely unbelievable. Let's just take one more lap just because it's really awesome. Living room. Bathroom and closet area, vanity, bathrobe and toilet area. sink, shower and soaking tub. Bedroom with a seating area, king-size bed, television on the wall. It's got basic cable, no pay-per-view or anything like that, but really that's all you need. Alarm clock on the end, 2 drawers on either side of the bed within the end tables there. And then the hallway that takes us right back down to the living room. Absolutely incredible. Maybe one of my favorite hotel rooms I've ever stayed in. I mean, this place is absolutely unbelievable. So before, when we were looking at the TV, I didn't even notice that this was a sliding door. There's a little Nespresso machine in here, the different Nespresso pods and creamers and sugars. Down here, even a little refrigerator. It's not huge, mini bar size, but enough to put a couple of beverages in and keep them cool while you're here. I love this building. It's so industrial, and this building actually used to be the old Fred Jones automotive plant, so it makes sense that it kind of has that industrial feel, but they did a really good job converting it into a hotel. I love how this hotel incorporates everything into not only just a hotel, but a modern art museum. Really just elevates the whole experience, and 21C is all about experience. So much art in this museum. This particular piece is called "You Always Leave Me Wanting More." It's made to look like, kind of like Vegas hotel signs pointing up, just kind of blasting through the floor of the hotel room. Look at all the art on the wall here. It's like something out of a storybook. Pretty incredible. Check her out. Now, if you don't know me, my favorite animal is penguins, and this hotel is full of them. Let's see if we can find some. There's a couple of them. Check out how chill this spot is. This is downstairs in the lobby. Purple penguin. Really cool couch. The bar's over here. It's a restaurant called Mary Eddie's. What'd you order me?
Sorry, I ate it all.
I love all the art in here. Check out this table. It's got video screens on top of it, so what they're eating and drinking constantly changes. I don't know if you could tell. Even in the wine glass. That's pretty amazing. Check this out. You are enchanting. So this piece is called "Being Not Truthful Always Works Against Me," and it's an interactive piece. Over here is a webcam, and when you walk in front of it, the web kind of moves and tears and does all kinds of things however you move. So this piece is called Winter Garden, and it's created on a canvas that is curved to kind of mimic the way that the human eye sees things. So while it kind of just looks like a weird shaped square here, it's actually drawn on a very curved canvas. This piece is called Piercing, and even though it looks like an image of someone from the 1700s or 1800s, it's actually a piece of canvas in which holes were punctured into at different sizes to create the image of the photograph.